Good morning to all. In the UNICP, we are discussing the water softening process, that is ion exchange process for the water softening. So let me start. Ion exchange is a water treatment process commonly used for water softening or demineralizations. Demineralizations, that means કે પ્રોસેસની અંદર રહેલા જે ક્ષાર છે, બરાબર, જે મિનરલ્સ છે હાર્ડ વોટરની અંદર, જેમ કે કેલ્શિયમ અને મેગ્નેશિયમ, તો એને રિમૂવ કરવામાં એને શું કહેવામાં આવે છે? ડિમિનરલાઇઝેશન અથવા તો સોફ્ટિંગ. બટ ઇઝ ઓલ્સો યુઝડ ટુ રિમૂવ અધર સબસ્ટન્સ ફ્રોમ ધ વોટર such as a de-alkalizations, deionization and desanification, de-infections. So, ion exchange describe a specific chemical process in which unwanted dissolved ions are exchanged for the other ions with a similar charges. In the ion exchange, which describe a specific chemical process in which unwanted dissolved ions are exchanged for the more other ion with a similar charge. આ પ્રોસેસની અંદર શું કરવામાં આવે છે કે જે અનવોન્ટેડ આયન્સ છે એને ડિસોલ્વ થઈ ગયા હોય છે, એને શું કરવામાં આવે છે? એક્સચેન્જ કરવામાં આવે છે વિથિન ધ સેમ ચાર્જ સાથે. એન્ડ ions are atoms or molecules which contain a total number of electrons that are not equal to the total number of protons. So there are the two different groups of ion: cation, which are positively charged, and anions, which is negatively charged. Anion is the negative charge. The cation is positively charged and negatively charged is anion. So when contamination dissolve in water, they are typically form ions. વોટરની અંદર જે ડિસોલ્વ કરેલા હોય છે તે આયનના ફોર્મ્સની અંદર હોય છે. When contamination are dissolved in water, the water is typically crystal clear. If the water is cloudy or otherwise discolored, it is likely some or of all the contaminants are in the solid form. So solid particles are not intended to remove by the ion exchange, and solid will clog the treatment media. Okay. One of the example is given that the ion exchange resin. Okay, so ion exchange resin માટેની એક characteristic આપેલી છે. So this is the ion exchange capacity, ion exchange operating capacity. So ion exchange capacity is the measure of total quantity of ions which theoretically can be exchanged. Okay, that means the nothing but the number of ionizable group that is present in the ion exchange resin per unit mass or per unit volume of resin. Second one is the operating capacity. Operating capacity is measure of actual useful capacity of the resin for exchanging ions from a solution flowing through a fixed bed of resin particles under specified condition. The operating capacity can be represented by the term X. It is equal to the number of equivalent to the ions of interested applied to the column per resin volume per min minus equivalent number. So this is the given for the resin, okay, and it having the many modes of operation process resin, and the here is the principle for the ion action of softened water. Ion exchange for the soften of water. Calcium and magnesium ions atom having a positive electric charge. જે કેલ્શિયમના આપણે એટમ્સ જોયા, this one is Ca+2 and Mg+2, which is positively charged electrical charge. Do sodium and potassium Na+2 and potassium K+. આયન ઓફ ધ સેમ ચાર્જ કેન બી એક્સચેન્જ. સેમ આયનને આપણે શું કરી શકીએ છીએ? આયન એક્સચેન્જ કરી શકીએ છીએ. The ion exchange process is a granular substance that is coated with sodium or potassium ion comes into contact with water containing calcium and magnesium ion. કેલ્શિયમ અને મેગ્નેશિયમના જે આયન છે એ કોના કોન્ટેક્ટમાં આવે છે? સોડિયમ અને એવા વોટરના કોન્ટેક્ટમાં આવે છે કે જેમાં કેલ્શિયમ અને મેગ્નેશિયમ હોય, બરાબર. સોડિયમ અને પોટેશિયમને કેલ્શિયમ અને મેગ્નેશિયમ સાથે લાવવામાં આવે છે. ટુ પોઝિટિવલી ચાર્જ સોડિયમ ઓર પોટેશિયમ ion are exchanged for every calcium or magnesium ion that is held by resin. This one is system is held by the resin, and the exchange of trade happen because sodium and potassium are loosely held by the resin. Okay, so the calcium and magnesium ions responsible for the hardness are removed from the water. Okay, so held by the resin replaced by sodium or potassium in the ion of the water. So આ મેથડથી શું કરવામાં આવે છે? પાણીને સોફ્ટ બનાવવામાં આવે છે. આયન એક્સચેન્જ ઓર ડીઆયોનાઇઝેશન ઓર ડીમિનરલાઇઝેશન પ્રોસેસ કઈ રીતે હોય છે? આયન એક્સચેન્જ રેઝિન આર ઇનસોલ્યુબલ. આયન એક્સચેન્જને જે પણ રેઝિન્સ છે એ શું હોય છે? ઇનસોલ્યુબલ હોય છે. ક્રોસ લિંક હોય છે. લોંગ ચેન ઓર્ગેનિક પોલિમર્સ with a microporous structure and the functional group which is attached to the chains are responsible for the ion exchange process. બરાબર. ક્રોસ લિંક એટલે બીજા મોલેક્યુલ સાથે શું કરી શકે છે? ક્રોસ લિંક એટલે કે જોઈન્ટ થઈ જાય છે, બરાબર. અને લોંગ ચેઇનવાળા હોય છે ઓર્ગેનિક પોલિમર. This resin containing acidic function group like a carboxylic group or SO3H etc. are capable of exchanging their H plus ion with other cations which comes in the contact where the contacting basic functional. So group is NH2NH is the hydrochloride salt are capable of exchanging their ions with other anions with the comes in the contact. So cations exchange resin that is RH plus, બરાબર. So cation is positively charged and anion is negatively charged. So cation exchange resin are mainly styrene divinyl benzene copolymers which on sulfonation or carboxylations becomes capable of exchange their hydrogen ions with the cations in the water. Then anion exchange reagents are styrene divinyl benzene or amine formaldehyde copolymers, okay, which contains amino or uh, quaternary ammonium or quaternary phosphorus or tertiary sulfonium groups as an integral part of the resin matrix. So this is after treatment with DIL. So let us see the process as shown in a figure. H plus OH minus, which is H2O. So water softening process is that calcium and magnesium salts is removed by the process is the sodium and potassium. Here is the hard water is sent it to the reactor, which is diluted by HCl H2O so for the regenerations. Here the cation reagents. Here is the cation resin, okay, which is positively charged, okay, and which is generally the water is removed, and the other one is sent it to the negatively charged, that is anion exchange resin, okay. So the distilled NOH for the regeneration માટે એન્ટર કરવામાં આવે છે and demineralized water remove થાય છે, બરાબર. So this is the figure of ion exchange process of softening waters. So exactly how it can be done through it. So plastic beds, both of ends are, and then ion exchange between them. जो कार्बोक्सिल वो किसके साथ रिएक्ट करेगा, Na COO. Then ion exchange hard water, which is calcium and magnesium ion, flow into exchanger. So this one is how it can be removed, and the Ca+2 ions from the hard water replaced with Na ions, okay. So the reactions is given here. The hard water is passed first through the cation exchange column, which remove all the cations like Ca+, Mg+, and etc. from it, and the equivalent amount of hydrogen ions are released from the column to the water. So cation reaction is RH plus calcium, it gives R2 Ca+2 plus 2 hydrogen, and magnesium reaction similar. So the after of the exchange cation column, the hard water is passed through the anion exchange, which remove all the anions like SO4 minus Cl minus, and present in the water equivalent amount of OH minus ions are released from the column water, okay. પાણીમાંથી જે પોઝિટિવ આયન જે છે, બરાબર, જેમ કે કેલ્શિયમ જે કેટાયન છે, તો એની સાથે કોણ રિએક્ટ કરશે, એનાયન, બરાબર, કેટાયન્સ. એન્ડ એનાયન એટલે નેગેટિવ એટલે કે OH માઇનસ, બરાબર, જે આપણે H+OH માઇનસ વાળી જે રિએક્શન જોઈએ, H+OH માઇનસ H2O, બરાબર, આ રીતે. Now the regeneration, okay. So this is the regeneration cycle is given, okay, which is not much important, but the ion exchange cycle કઈ રીતે થતી હોય છે. This is the 4-step cycle. First loading, then displacement, then regeneration and washing, okay. So these are the process. This is not only informative, not is in the syllabus, but the advantages and the application are the ion exchange. So the application is that removal of undesirable ions and cations, anions and ions, cations from wastewater अथवा water. Softening process, dealkalization, decationization, demineralizations, nitrate removal, and selective removal of various other contaminations like CD, Cr, Fe, Hg, Ni, Pb, and Jn, heavy metals, okay, and some contaminates As, F, and Li. Then advantages of ion exchange and disadvantages. So what are the advantages? It is very effective, efficient method for water softening. No perforation of substance into water. Most of the heavy metals can be reused, and wastewater that is produced by ion exchange machine is also useful for water treatment. Disadvantages: the level of acidity in water can be increased because of entirely sodium ions into softened water. Okay, and the machine used for the softened water is known as the ion exchanger, and their greatest implement is fact that must be clear because their high level of saturation. Ion exchange also required high operational courses.